You're gonna die. I'll just you know, use my sunglasses and then like peek down at my phone the whole time. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I do.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Keegan from Straight Up MTB, and today we're gonna try something new. I can't look down like that shit. Hey guys, what's up? It's Keegan from Straight MTB. Hey guys, what's up? It's Keegan from Straight Up. I can't even say this. Hey guys, what's up? It's Keegan from Straight Up MTB, and today we're gonna try something new and make a start to a new series. Since I'm crippled and can't ride all winter, you guys are gonna be seeing a lot of me talking to the camera and Max falling on his butt. So today we're at 8th Street, and basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tell Max tricks to do, and he's gonna go and do them with as little tries as possible. So let's get at her. You look good?
Yeah.
Okay. First shot, fire to that bank. Okay?
Fine. Be that way.
Hey Matt.
Hey.
Fire to the bank.
That's I'm ready to see him white out really hard. Oh my god, a one-hander!
Snake! How did it feel to get snaked?
Absolutely great.
Tell me about it.
No! Good? Yeah.
That was close.
No. I didn't think you were actually gonna.
Ankle guards? What are you saying?
Ankle guards.
Do I need to do CPR on your ankles?
It's the other.
Sorry,
I
on this
do wear
one.
socks like these. I normally wear long socks.
Wick.
Yeah, those are really long socks right there.
Okay. Decent one. You still one.
Yeet. Let me see that that finger.
Did it come off?
Oh, that's a good looking
shit.
one. Oh, you still got it in your hand. Beautiful.
Ah. Oh, there's blood on my bag now.
First aid, 8th Street style. How it's
I brought
done.
those extra napkins.
Shared it to Matthew. He brought Mr. Almaxo some napkins to keep his finger in check. So we just finished fixing Max's finger up here. It's good to go. More bars to come.
Or maybe not. Or maybe.
We got a nose press 180 over top of a curb over there. You ready? Nope.
It's gonna end well.
No, where did you get that?
Just like the bar spin.
Making yourself look good. Your backhand hit it.
Oh my god.
It did?
Oh yeah.
Your backhand hit.
Second try.
There we go.
Next thing we got, Max is gonna go over this box over here. He's gonna foot point 180 off of it. All right?
Yeah, sounds good.
I didn't see no foot come off.
What?
I didn't see no foot come off.
I know.
Look at these guys stealing my water, eh? Like, I bring
Not
water.
like you're putting work in.
I'm putting in hard work recording you guys, all right? Like, Matthew here, he's like a freaking camel. He'll drink forever.
That is true.
Matt, we need some cheerleaders over here. Shake your booty. Oh, that was a correction hop. But see that little hop? That's a correction hop. So it evens yourself out. Right, Max?
Right.
I'll count that one. I'll take it.
They wanted to get coffee. It's like, go there. You can get fucking freshly made everything. Like it's made, the shit they make, dude. It's made almost every day fresh. So, you know, preferably I go there for coffee because I'd rather fresh organic grinded coffee than fucking, you know, pre-grinded shit with what extra added shit into it.
I don't do coffee.
I do.
I can't talk coffee.
No, I don't like coffee. I can't handle the caffeine. I love coffee. I can only have one cup of coffee a day though. And then if I have more, then I'm fucking wired. And I won't be able to sleep for like 2 days. So.
I have to talk to it. Alright. Turn. There we go. Okay. So what you're going to do, come up to this quarter right here. Rock the fakie down it. All the way back to this bank. Over here. 180. Fakie down it. And then half cab out. Can you do that? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Fakey. Oh. Man. Woo! What are you, wolf? Here we go. This is the one. Wow. Okay. I'll take it. It was supposed to be a half cab, but I'll take it. Because that's a really long fakie. Alright, so next set. See that big 3 set of ledges over there?
3 block?
3 block. Yeah, that's what you want to call it. Okay. Max is gonna jump down that over there. He's just gonna send it. It's pretty big.
Are you sure?
Just come at her Mach 10. You'll be fine. Alright? Send it! It's pretty big. Oh, brakes?
No brakes.
I've done that.
Yeah, right. You do it. Front side disaster to 180 disaster on this bank right here. Next, so when you come out, you're gonna go over this quarter, over to that bank, and then you're gonna 3 out of it. Got it?
Okay.
And don't make me run too much.
I don't have to 180 in, right?
No. Second try, folks.
That was sick.
Second try. Next set.
Technical.
Yeah, let's go tech. So next set. Roll up this quarter. Over there. See? Where the guy in the green shirt's sitting? Yeah. He's gonna go up there. He's gonna fake you down. And he's gonna fake you out of it, or roll out of it. And then he's gonna go up this bank and then nose manual down it. How's that? You got it? What seems to be the problem here?
There's no problem.
Okay. Well,
Tech life.
tech is life. Picky. Jeez.
Oh no.
Problems. How's that finger holding up?
It's hurting.
Still hurting?
It's a ramp, not a bench.
Well, keep going because it's a skate park and it don't matter. Three to fakie off a quarter. Yay? Yay?
Yay.
Yay. Okay, let's do it. You gotta... about 90. Oh. That was close.
Oh, correction hop. Not taking that.
He doesn't like his correction hops, which is sad. This is the one. You wanna take that one?
Yeah.
I like it. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more videos to come.